Hi, I'm Dr. Anthony Edwards, and I'm an assistant professor at Charlton State University. And my contribution to this presentation on promoting community in online and hybrid courses using innovative technologies has to do with how I use both our learning management system and how I use our video conferencing software, Zoom, but it could be any video conferencing software that you use. So, with our learning management system, how I use that is that I've got several group assignments. And so, in those group assignments, they have a series of group projects. So, essentially, at the beginning of the semester, they choose to be in a particular group. So, whether it's a particular aspect of higher ed leadership that we're studying that semester, we kind of break that up into subtopics. And so, when they join that group, they do their first assignment where they essentially review the literature on that topic, but they do that literature review inside of a discussion board. And so they've all beforehand break up that topic into 4 or 5 sections, and they each cover that section, and then they comment on each other's work. And then they move from there into doing an observation where they observe a higher education leader in that particular area, and they're writing about their observations, whether it's in person or whether it's an online observation through the web or social media. And then they'll do an actual interview of someone who works in higher ed leadership in the area that they're studying. And then from there, they'll watch a webinar of some sort in higher education leadership, again related to their subject area. And then they will take all of that information and actually we'll have a symposium at the end of the semester on our video conferencing tool, and they will each as a group present their research that they've done over the course of the semester, where they get to integrate all of those learning experiences that they had in each individual assignment, and then they also will submit a actual written paper along with that. So your final projects or products would be a video and a paper or manuscript. So in each of those building blocks or milestones along the way, again, there's a group discussion, so they get to communicate with their classmates and get feedback from one another throughout the semester, and from me as their instructor. So in addition, as they go through those group projects, we also have whole class group discussions where they get to talk about whatever topic we're studying that week, and then leave comments for their classmates as well. We also talk about muddiest points, so if there are things that they're not quite grasping, they can provide that, and then I can respond to that and give them some insight, and then their classmates can also share things that they've learned on those topics. So in a nutshell, that is really how we promote community in our online courses using innovative technologies. And again, Dr. Anthony Edwards from Charlton State University. Thank you so much.